report step in BIM Energy, you might feel that your report is unnecessarily long, or there are other results that you wish was there. In this video, I will show you ways to adjust the report so that it fits for you. As a default, we have a quite long report, starting with input data of all our steps, followed by results. And in the end, some graphs about the climate data. If I click on Print options, I can unclick the content I don't want to present. For example, if I don't want to present the climate data. Another interesting way to adjust the report is to add graphs to the report. I click on Add Report Content. Maybe I would like to see how the solar panel potential varies over the year. I can see either monthly values or weekly values. Or maybe I would like to know how the heat power varies with outdoor temperature. Here I can see that the peak power of heating is approximately 170 kilowatt. And I can see that when I have no need for heating the room, I have more or less 10 kilowatt heating need for tap water. I can add a graph to report by clicking Add. And there it is.